Hello everyone, now I am going to start question number 4 of exercise 1.2. Now in this question we have find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Suppose this is the number line, suppose 0 lies here, and now right side of 0 is all positive rational number, as you know. This side is all positive and this side is all negative rational number. Now suppose this 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 lies here, suppose here, and 1 by 2, since this is positive, suppose it lies over here. Now we will have to find the numbers in between of this minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now suppose if it is only in place of minus 2 by 5, only minus 2 is there and here only 1 is there, then we can easily find how many numbers coming in between. Now if this is given in this fraction, then how will you find the 10 rational numbers in between? So for this we will have to just write the two rational number, which is minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. At first we will have to find the LCM of 5 and 2. Now what will be the LCM of 5 and 2? 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2. So LCM will be 5 into 2, which is 10. So here denominator will be 10. Now what should be multiplied with this denominator 5 to get 10? It should be 2, because 5 2s are 10. Now the same number will be multiplied with the numerator. So here we will get minus 4 by 10. Now in the next rational number, see 2 is there in the denominator. Now what should be multiplied with 2 to get 10? It will be 5. Now the same number will be multiplied with the numerator also. So we will get 5 by 10. Now if you draw the number line, suppose 0 is here is minus 4 and here is 5. So how many numbers coming in between? Here is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will have to take up to this. We cannot take minus 4 and 5 because we will have to write the numbers in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 numbers are coming. But we need to find 10 rational numbers. So what do we have to do? We have to multiply further. See, here we have multiplied by 2 with the numerator and denominator, and here we have multiplied by the same number, which is 5. So we have got this. So this is called equivalent fraction. Now for our need, we will have to multiply further to get next equivalent fraction. So here it can be multiplied by 2 or 3, 4, your wish. So suppose I am multiplying by this 3. So if the denominator is multiplied by 3, then the numerator also will be multiplied by 3. So we are getting minus 12 by 30. And here what denominator will be same. So here we have got 30. So here also we will have to make 30. So if you multiply with 3, then we will get 30 here, and the same number will be multiplied with the numerator. So we are getting 15. So here I have multiplied by 3. You can multiply by 2 or 4 or 5, whatever you can multiply with any number. But you will have to find 10 rational number. That you will have to remember. So here, since we are in this case, in the first case we haven't got 10 rational number. That's why we have multiplied further. So here see minus 12 and here is 15. So if I draw the number line, suppose here is minus 12 and here is 15. So here we will get almost 11. Here we will get 11 negative rational number, and here we will get 14 rational number. So that means like we are getting more than 10. So we can take this one. If you multiply by 2, then also it can be done. So how many ration numbers are coming here? We will have to write 10 ration number. We don't have to write more than 10. We'll just write 10. So we can start from negative number or positive number. So I'm starting from negative ration number. As this is our limit, so we cannot take this one. So before minus 12, minus 11, denominator will remain same, which is 30. Minus 10 by 30, minus 9 by 30, minus 8 by 30, minus 6 by 30, minus 5 by 30, minus 4 by 30, minus 3 by 30, minus 2 by 30. So that means we will multiply by any number according to our need. So it will be this. So you can write from here also we can start 14 by 30, then 13 by 30, 12 by 30. This way also you can write this. So in this way we will find 10 ration numbers in between. In the next question we have find 5 ration numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So again we will write 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now we will have to find the LCM of 3 and 5. So the LCM of 3 and 5 will be 3 ones are 3. Since 5 cannot be divided by 3, so we'll write 5. Then 5 ones are 5. So the LCM will be 3 into 5, 15. Okay. Now here in the denominator it will be 15. Now what should be multiplied with the denominator to get 15? It will be 5, because 3 5s are 15, and here the same number will be multiplied with the numerator. So we will get 10 by 50. Here also we will have to make the denominator same. This is called equivalent fraction. So what will you do in this case? We will have to again multiply by 3 to get the same denominator, and here also we will multiply by the same. So here we are getting 12 by 15. Now see, here we have got 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So how many numbers are coming in between? If you see the number line and if here is 0, then suppose 10 lies here and 12 lies here. That means in between 10 and 12 only 11 is there, and you will have to make 5 ration numbers. That means we have to multiply further, and if you take the bigger number to multiply with this, then you don't have to multiply further. Like if suppose if you are taking 2 here, the same number will be multiplied with the denominator, and here also the same number. So what you are getting 20 by 30, and here you are getting 24 by 30. Now see, in between 20 and 24 how many numbers are coming? 21, 22, 23, 24. So that means see 4 numbers we have got, right? But we need to find 5 ration number. So what we will do in this case, we will in place of 2 we will just write we'll take 5, 6 or 7. Okay, any bigger number we will take to multiply with this, okay, to get 5 ration numbers. So for this we will just multiply by 5. So here I have just see, I'm not multiplying by 2, I'm multiplying by 5 to get 5 ration number. You can multiply again, that also can be done. I have rubbed which I have done with 2, because of, by multiplying 2 we are not getting 5 ration number, we are getting 4 ration number. That's why I have taken 5 here. So see, 10 5s are 50, 15s are 75. Here 12 5s are 60 and 15 5s are 75. So if you see from 50 to 60, total 10 numbers are there, right? So either we will start from 51, like if you see here, suppose here is 0 and here is suppose 50 and here is 60. So we will not take this one, we'll take in between this. So you can start from 51, 52 like this, or you can start from the end also, like 51, 58, 59, 58 like that. So we'll go serially and we will write this denominator, which is 75. So 51 by 75, 52 by 75, 53 by 75, 54 by 75, 55 by 75. So this way we will find 5 rational number. Now in the next question we have minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So here again we will write the 2 rational number which is given. Now we will find the LCM of these two. So LCM of 2 and 3 will be 2 ones are 2, then 3 ones are 3. So LCM will be 2 into 3, which is 6. That means we will have to make 6 in the denominator. So here what should be multiplied with 2 to get 6? It will be 3, and the same number will be multiplied with the numerator. So we are getting minus 9 by 6. Now here also we will have to make 6. Now 2 should be multiplied with the denominator to get 6, and the same number will be multiplied with the numerator also. This is called equivalent fraction. So this is 10 by 6. Now what we have to do, we have to make 5 rational number. Now see, if you check the negative rational number, if you check the negative rational number, your total 8 rational numbers are coming, negative rational numbers, and if you check the positive one, we are getting total 9 rational number. That means only we will have to write 5 rational number. So either we will take negative side or we will take positive side, but we will not take this limit. So minus and C, always remember, like while taking negative, suppose minus 9 is here, so we will not go farther, we will not go beyond this, we will have to start from here, because suppose here is minus 9 and here is 10. Okay, we are just writing the number which is there in the numerator. So minus 9 and 10 I have written, and we will have to write the numbers which are coming in between. We will not take this one, remember, we'll take the numbers in between. And in case of negative rational number, if you go beyond this number, that number will be bigger than this, because that is negative. Because if you want to take minus 10 comes after minus 9, so we cannot take this one. So we will have to write the number which is coming before minus 9, means minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, if you want to take negative rational number. Or if you want to take positive rational number, we can start from 1 also, we can start from 9 also. Suppose here is 9, 8, 7. Okay, so suppose I am taking negative rational number, so it will be minus 8, and the denominator will remain same, which is 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, and minus 4 by 6. Okay. Now in the next question we have 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, and we will have to write 5 rational numbers. So again we will write 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, and then we will find the LCM of 4 and 2, which is 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So the LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. Now, so we will have to make 4 here. Now what should be multiplied with 4 to get 4? Obviously it will be multiplied by 1 to get the same number, and the same number will be multiplied with this. So 1 by 4. Now here also we will have to make the denominator 4. So what should be multiplied with 2 to get 4? It will be 2. So here also will be multiplied by 2. So 2 1s are 2, and 2 by 2 2 2s are 4. So now see, denominator is same, but we are not getting the numbers in between. So that means we will have to multiply further. Now we'll take the bigger number to multiply. Say 5. Now here also we'll be taking the same number. So we are getting 5 by 20. Here also we'll take the same number because we will have to make the same denominators, which is 20, and here also will be multiplied by the same number, so 10. Now if you see the numbers in between, see here, if it is 0, 5 suppose here, and 10 is here, so in between 6, 7, 8, 9, so total 4 numbers are coming in between. So that means we need to multiply further. So what we will do, we will again multiply. Say I am multiplying by 3. So if you take directly 10 to multiply with this, then we don't have to multiply further. Since I have taken 5 and I am not getting 5 rational numbers, so I have to multiply again. So here we are getting 15 by 60. Here also we'll be taking the same number, which is 3. So here we are getting 30 by 60. Now see, in between many numbers are coming. So either we will start from 29, because suppose if here is say 15 and here is 30, so either we will start from here or we can start from here, but we cannot take these two numbers. Okay, we will take the numbers in between. So either we will start from here, we will go like this, 14, 13, okay, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 like this, or we can start from the end, 29, 28, 27, 26 like this. So I am taking from 16 by 60, denominator will be 60, 17 by 60, 18 by 60, 19 by 60, 20 by 60. So this way we will find the rational numbers in between. Thank you, students.